Hey guys, and welcome again to the vlog. If you haven't watched the last video, go ahead and click right here and go watch the last one, because this is going to be part 2 of the 2-day event here at OSW. Well, I'm up so early, nobody else is even here yet, so like, Matt Schulman's not here, Matt the Ginge isn't here yet, Taylor should be here soon, but I'm going to show you the damage. He was driving with Pat in the G35, and he tapped his quarter panel, bent up the headlight, and snapped some pieces in there, but I mean, it's fixable. It's not too bad. And as far as the Accelera tires go, because it was raining yesterday, they have lasted a little bit longer. So we have plenty of life on both of the rear tires to last us a couple more hours. And then we've got another 3 sets of 2 18s, 17s, and another set of 18s in the truck. So we should have plenty of tires for the rest of the day. So we dropped the rear down to 15 PSI to see if we can pick up some more speed, which should hopefully help, and the track has finally dried out. So now we're just waiting for everyone to get here, everyone to wake up so we can do another driver's meeting, and then we'll probably head out in the next hour or so. So we just got the layout. Basically, A-Class is gonna go first. So I'm gonna go ride with the king of OSW. So we're gonna ride with him, and then once our class is up in 45 minutes, we're gonna go out. That's funny, it makes a little squeal. Now it's my turn. You know, I'm really amazed at these tires that we put on here. We put them on yesterday afternoon, and they're still good, which is very surprising. I've never ran brand new tires before, so as you can see, they are perfect. So I think I'm gonna start buying new tires because they're working out great.
All right, let's get speed, and more speed. All right. Woo! That was awesome. I went a little wide on the third corner, but that was good. That was our last run for that session, so.
All right, guys, well, the second day is finally coming to a close. It was a lot of fun riding with everybody, hitting the wall, unfortunately, but car's fixed, everything's going good. So we're gonna be here for the next like 10 minutes, watch a couple people run, and then we're gonna head home because we have a long drive back to Palm Coast. But thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Again, if you didn't watch part 1, click right here and watch the video. You will love it. It was insane. But again, thank you for watching. Please comment, like, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video.